Hey, Donna Gain here from Surrey, BC, and today I want to kind of give you a brief story and background that a company that I just started recently called Olympic Arc, and it's actually quite remarkable how the technology actually works with this company with the quantum energy and how it actually connects from their cloud to our brain. But anyway, before I started Lymphatic Arc, that 3 years ago I got diagnosed as a celiac, and I've been actually suffering quite a bit with bloating and gas. And from that, I actually developed anxiety and depression. That it actually got to the point that I didn't actually even want to get out of bed in the morning, and that for a while that I just wanted to stay in bed. But I actually just joined this just a little over a week ago, and I am truly grateful for my sponsor, Emily James. I truly love her, and she's a remarkable sponsor. But anyway, I joined because of that issues that I wanted to clear up. And since actually joining, like the day I actually joined, and within like 2 hours of joining, no lie, that I actually started getting relief, and that my stomach was actually completely at ease, and the bloating actually disappeared, and I actually started feeling happy again, and the anxiety and depression have actually almost stopped. Like I do have a little bit of hiccups here and there, but majority 90% my anxiety and depression have actually disappeared. And now I actually get out of bed in the morning, and I just want to get up and just get my day going. And I actually have all to do it because God actually reached out to me, and actually and no lie, like not even 5 minutes after I actually prayed to God, that Emily actually reached out to me and actually gave me this information. And as soon as I saw the information, because she knew that I wanted to change my life, that I knew I had to jump on. And she actually had her free trial tied up at the moment, and I actually told her, forget it, I'll just jump right in, because I know I want to change my health and my life. And I've actually over the moon with excitement that I just can't believe that my life is changing in such a short time. And I just actually I noticed actually a little improvement with my vision, but not actually a great deal. But that one is because I have cataract in my right eye, so I know that's going to take a bit. But I just started the weight loss info boost today, like a couple hours ago, and I'm actually already feeling lighter. That it's just quite remarkable how the technology actually gets the information from their cloud into our brains, and that it actually feeds us all this information. And I can ramble on forever, but anyway, that I actually just wanted to hop on and actually give this testimonial to those that actually want to change their lives. And if that's you, that you want to change your life, please reach out to the person that actually connect you to this video. And if it's myself, please inbox me on Facebook. But if somebody else is sharing my testimonial, please get back to the person that shared this video with you and tell them that you're wanting to get started, because this company will truly change your life. It's like I can just go on, like I said, all night, because I'm just overly excited. So please, like I said, reach out to me if it's me that showed you the video or someone else, and let's help you change your life. And until I talk to you or someone else, have a remarkable day, and let's change lives.